There square measure reasons why it hasn't, of course. This can be a corporation that, though written giant on the radiolocation of Britain automobile consumers and enthusiasts, could be a cyprinid aboard the German corporations that its cars rival. Their merchandise sell by the many thousands and contribute to sales of over 1 million a year for every company. Panthera onca sells fewer than 100,000 cars a year in total. Or has, until now. The F-Pace is the automobile that's meant to alter that. It's an automobile that puts the longer term of Panthera onca estates below threat. However, it's additionally one that, frankly, no government automobile maker are often, while not, even one that incorporates a separate arm dealing entirely in government SUVs. There's associate argument that this can be one among the explanations for Jaguar's SUV timing. Can a Panthera onca 4x4 nick sales from a spread Rover 4x4? It's an occasion, however, because the VW cluster will with Volkswagen and Audi, and shortly Skoda and Seat 2, it's an opportunity you are taking. And on the face of it, those at JLR have viewed the danger within the same vein, with Panthera onca asserting the smaller E-Pace change of integrity the very to require their fight to the BMW X1 and Audi Q3, whereas there's in progress development to make associate electric-powered version of the F-Pace, called the I-Pace. At least you get the profit either approach, instead of someone else. And therefore the F-Pace's attribute is willfully totally different, on paper and within the drives we've had to this point, from the rest that rolls out of a Panthera onca Land Rover facility. It's a Panthera onca, which implies it's a sporting SUV, we're told. The maximum amount together is feasible. It's a tall automobile with a small indefinite quantity of cross-country ability, except for those that like driving. That's continuously a small contradiction. However, ever since BMW launched the X5 within the late 1990s, it's one we've managed to urge our head around. We've tried most F-Pace engine variants to this point in a technique or another, together with the F-Pace S and each gasoline and diesel variants. However, the one tested here counts most, the 2.0-liter diesel, which will represent the largest range of sales.